Data cleaning is not just about formulas. It is about making sure your data set truly reflects what you want to measure. Have you ever seen an Amazon review that starts normal, then suddenly turns into random words? Yes. While cleaning the review content column, I noticed a lot of review had unnecessary text after the first full stop. So I used this Excel formula to cut off everything after the first full stop, leaving just the main useful parts of the review. Coming to the rating counts, I noticed something very important. Many of the rating counts here are stored as text, not numbers. This means Excel will not recognize them for calculations, sorting, or analysis. For example, the first entry here is treated as plain text because of the comma. To fix this, I'll be using this formula. The substitutes remove the comma, while the value in the formula converts the cleaned text into a proper numeric format. For fast and efficient data transformation, I'll be loading my data into Power Query. So now I'm going to copy all my data, right? I'm going to ensure I select everything, then go to data, click on from table, then I'm going to ensure that everything is copied, the proper column is being copied. Then I'm going to click on OK. So it's going to take me straight to my Power Query editor. When you see blanks like this after loading your data into Power Query, do not panic. It is normal. This is as a result of the deleted duplicates we did at the beginning of our data cleaning. So all you just have to do is go to filter, uncheck the blanks, and you are good to go. Remember we worked on our product name before importing it into Power Query. So I'm going to delete the original product name, leaving the cleaned product name we worked on. Looking at the category column, many entries gives multiple layer of categorization, but I only need the primary category for my analysis. So I'll be using the split column by delimiter. This approach will help me to standardize the category field and make the data set clean, more consistent, and easy to analyze. The price column are still in their raw form. Instead of showing clean numbers, it contains a strange character. This is because of text encoding errors. Excel sometimes misread currency symbols and replace them with unreadable characters. When this happens, it treats the entire price as text, not numbers. So I will use the find and replace to remove the unwanted characters and keep only the numeric part. This will allow me to convert the values back into proper numbers for analysis. After using the split column to keep the primary category, we still have some entries with the ant symbol without proper spacing. While it looks minor, this kind of formatting affects filtering, grouping, and even pivot table analysis. So I'm going to use the find and replace feature to separate them. Here in the search, I'm going to put the and symbol, then with replace, I'm going to leave it with the space and then space again. This will transform all entries into a more readable format. Now I'm going to load back my data into my Excel spreadsheet. I had already removed the extra text that appeared after the first full stop in the review content column, but I realized that I did not officially load the cleaned column back into the Power Query editor. Instead of repeating the whole process, I will just copy and paste the same formula again. It will give us the exact same result.